There are some questions for ORS. So first question, like, define ORS. Okay, so define ORS. It is a type of fluid replacement used to prevent and treat dehydration, not diarrhea. Dehydration, especially due to diarrhea. Okay, so dehydration, it can be mild, moderate, सीवियर. दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड, है ना. तो ओ आर एस जो होता है ओरली दिया जाता है. सो दिस विल बी यूज्ड इन द माइल्ड टू मॉडरेट डिहाइड्रेशन, है ना. नाउ व्हाट आर द क्वालिटी ऑफ इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ द ओ आर एस. तो सोडियम क्लोराइड्स 2.6 ग्राम. ओके, सोडियम साइट्रेट 244 ग्राम्स, पोटेशियम क्लोराइड 1.5 ग्राम, sugar is 13.5 gram, and water 1 liter. So we have to dissolve this in 1 liter of water. Okay, now sodium chloride is for sodium and chloride replacement, which are fluid loss during the diarrhea. Sodium citrate for the acidosis, potassium chloride to prevent hypokalemia, sugar for absorption of sodium, and very important because SGLT, there are two, 1 and 2, but basically here SGLT1 receptor, here the sodium is required for the the sugar is required, the glucose is required for the absorption of the sodium. So SGLT2, that is the sodium glucose transporter. Okay, now uses of ORS, again, it is treatment of the vomiting, common illness like traveler's diarrhea, muscular pain is there, weakness is there, heat stroke. Okay, so heat stroke, you can be asked questions because there will be a lot of heat. To treat dehydration caused by diarrhea, again, these are the uses of diarrhea. Enumerate the precautions in using ORS. So infant should be continue to receive the breast milk. Okay, and we should be like, breast milk should be given with the ORS. Avoid alcohol and caffeinated or surgical sugary drinks like coffee, energy drinks, pop, sweetened fruits, tea. Okay, in hyperkalemia, patient ORS should not be used. Okay, because there will be increase in the, again, in hyperkalemia, patient ORS not to be used because it will increase of like changes in the heart rhythm, because increase in the potassium will cause change in the heart. Okay, so there will be ST elevations and all. So now what are the some importance of proper storage of ORS. Should be placed in the cool place. Okay, and should be taken continuously. Okay, we have to say that we can take it continuously. Once prepared, ORS should be consumed or discarded within 12 hours if kept at room temperature, and if refrigerated, and you can keep for 24 hours. How to prepare ORS solution using ORS powder. Okay, so cleanness, wash your hand, measure 1 liter of drinking water in a clean container. Okay, boil the water and let it cool down. Okay, this step can be skipped out because we'll say that at least water is important. It's not important what is the quality of water, because in rural area or different places we don't have time, okay, for boiling the water. You just tell them to, okay, whatever water you have, include the ORS powder and just let the baby drink. Okay, so boiling isn't not important. Again, open the one packet of the ORS and empty into the water. Mix ORS and water well. Taste the solution. It should not be tasting very salty. If the salt solution is more, it will cause vomiting. Now store the solution in a closed container and a cool place. Okay, now what is super ORS? Super ORS rehydrate the body and actively bring on reabsorption of endogenous secretion in the intestine. This improves the ORS, reduce the stool volume, shorten the duration of diarrhea, and allow early introduction of the feeding. ORS substitutes water there, clean water. Okay, sugar 6 spoon, salt half spoon, stir the mixture, and so what we say that in a 1 glass of water, an alternative like 1 glass of water, you can add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Okay, you can add some citric like lemon also. Okay, so it is a perfect home making of the ORS. These are kind of ORS substitutes. There are many other substitutes also I am not discussing because they are not in the notes, but you should study, you should know about it. Now types of dehydration, again there are 3 types of dehydration: mild, moderate and severe. Okay, so this is not correct. Now role of zinc in diarrhea. So zinc basically improves the immunity. It can reduce the duration and severity of diarrheal episodes. For 3 months it reduces the stool frequency and duration of the diarrhea. So these are basically some questions. See, there are many things which can be asked from an ORS, like who discovered ORS. Okay, so who discovered ORS? It's very important. It is Dilip Mahalanobis. Okay, Dilip Mahalanobis. Okay, so he was like from on 16th December 1971. No one will ask you the date, but the name is important. Who is the father of ORS? Okay, now in 2003 WHO and UNICEF both recommended new ORS solution. Okay, so this is new formulation is there. Earlier जो भी था, अभी जो है उसी को आपको याद रखना है. ORS में क्या क्या कंपोजिशन होता है वो आपको जानना है, इलेक्ट्रल के फॉर्म में आता है वो आपको जानना है. ठीक है, तो these are the things I have just casually made this video. मैं बस चाह रहा हूँ कि like you should understand कि ये 5 marks का है, and if you give like basic answers you will definitely get 3 or 4. Okay, एक चीज़ याद रखना, ORS का जो पैकेट होता है, I have not included the packet over here, but उसमें क्या लिखा रहता है, ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन सॉल्ट. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे लिखा रहता है IP. दिस इज़ इंडियन फार्माकोपिया. यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रल द ब्रांड वो लिखा जा सकता है ना. किस फ्लेवर का होगा, से सपोज ऑरेंज यहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा, है ना. यहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा ORS बेस्ड ऑन WHO फार्मूला. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लिखा रहेगा 21.80 ग्राम्स इलेक्ट्रल है, तो इसको 1 लीटर में देना है. ठीक है, वाटर सप्लाई ये है ना. और अगर मिली ऑस्मोल पर लीटर के हिसाब से अगर हम इसे देखें तो इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स क्या क्या रहेगा ये आपको जानना ज़रूरी है. तो ये आपका हो गया सोडियम 75, पोटेशियम 20, क्लोराइड ठीक है 65, साइट्रेट हो गया आपका 10, और डेक्सट्रोज जो शुगर के ग्लूकोज के बराबर है वो हो जाएगा 75. तो ओस्मोलालिटी हो जाएगी आपकी 245. ठीक है, ये चीज़ हो गया. तो यहाँ मैंने बताया था सोडियम क्लोराइड जो है, जो इंडियन फार्माकोपिया के हिसाब से 2.6 होना चाहिए. पोटेशियम क्लोराइड जो है वो आपका 1.5 होना चाहिए. सोडियम साइट्रेट जो है वो आपका 2.9 होना चाहिए. और आपका एनहाइड्रस डेक्सट्रोज एनहाइड्रस जो हुआ वो आपका 13.50 ग्राम्स होना चाहिए. दीज आर ऑल ग्राम्स. ओके, तो टोटल अगर आप मिलाओगे तो 21.80 ग्राम्स होगा. तो दीज आर बेसिक थिंग्स. ठीक है, इसको आप जान के रखिए. दीज आर सम डेटा. द फादर ऑफ ये इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. WHO 2003 के बाद में न्यू ORS सॉल्ट का ये बनाया. ये ORS का पैकेट हो सकता है एग्ज़ाम में रहेगा, तो आप वहाँ पे देख के भी पढ़ के बता सकते हो. ठीक है, सो ओके, तो दीज आर ओनली 5 मार्क्स. तो ये 10 मिनट्स का वीडियो अगर तुम लगातार 2-3 बार देखोगे तो ध्यान में रहेगा, एग्ज़ाम में फ्लुएंटली बोल लोगे. ओके, चलो बाय.